In this video, I am going to share with you a ChatGPT prompt using which you can compose the most engaging blogs for your readers. I have one request for all the viewers. If our video helps you in any way, please support us in growing our channel by subscribing. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to discuss the template of the ChatGPT prompt, which is flashed on the screen. This template is already given in the description of the video. In this template, you should replace number with the number of words you want in your blog post. For example, you can type 800. Replace types of professionals with your profession. For instance, you can type nutritionist. Replace topic with the subject of the topic on which you want to write a blog post. For instance, you can type eating mindfully, nourishing your body and the soul. Replace feature with the features you want to include in your blog post. For example, practical tips. Finally, provide the reasons for readers to read the blog post by replacing how is it going to help readers. For example, cultivate healthier eating habits. Once you have edited the template to fit your needs, click on Send Message and you are done. ChatGPT will generate a well-written blog post for your readers. I have provided 49 such templates in the description of this video. You can choose any of the given templates and customize them accordingly. If you find the content of this video useful, please consider subscribing us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.